Okay, welcome back. Part 2 of the video. We're on week 30th. We're on Monday/Tuesday, which is April 26th and 27th. All right? And we're learning to use SOH CAH TOA. Why do we want to do this? We want to solve for either an angle measure. Okay, that was that inverse function, that arc function, the undo function. And now we're going to solve for one of the sides of the triangle, the OPP, the ADJ, the HYP. That's that math piece. And that's why we're calling this a Skill Builder Week. Okay, so now, on your handout, we're down at the bottom of the page, and we're trying to solve for this x. Well, in this particular problem, this x turned out to be the OPP. Okay, x right here. Well, think about it. Undo. We've been talking about this, how to undo something. How do we undo a division? What's the opposite of divide? Multiply. Absolutely. So now let's write let's change colors here. The tangent of 58 degrees is equal to x over 11. What's the opposite of divide? Multiply. All right, so everybody, multiply both sides by the number 11. Okay? Now, if we're going to multiply by 11, what's 11 divided by 11? 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. So we have x by itself. Yay, we win. X is equal to 11 times the tangent of 58 degrees. All right, we got it. Grab a calculator and just do it. 11 times tangent 58, close parenthesis, equals. Let's do two decimal points, 17.60. Now, when you're typing, don't get in a hurry, because sometimes you might type tangent 58. Make sure you close the parenthesis before you multiply times 11. Okay? 17.60. 17.60 equals x. Okay? Scroll back up here and write it in there. 17.60. All right? So, we are doing these together. Now, if you fell a little bit behind, the second one here, we've got the 62 degrees, so we're going to label the OPP, we're going to label the ADJ, and we know that across from here is the HYP. The tangent is equal, tangent of 62 is 11 over x. Now, when the x is in the denominator, okay, when it's in the basement, it's a little bit longer problem. Okay, so let's rewrite this. The tangent of 62 degrees is equal to 11 over x. Well, I got to get this out of the basement. I got to get him up here. Well, again, what's the opposite of divide? Okay, everybody, write parentheses. We're going to do the same thing we did over here. We multiplied. Everybody, multiply by x, multiply by x. All right, now, if 11 divided by 11 was 1, what's x divided by x? Anything divided by itself is 1. It's gone. So now, x times the tangent of 62 is equal to 11. Now, we're all at different places in our math learning, okay? Don't freak out at the tangent of 62. What's the tangent of 62? It's just a number. It is. It's just a number. So, let's go to our calculator and type that in. Tangent 62 degrees equals 1.88. All right, everybody. Tangent of 62 is 1.88. Check it. 1.88. Sure is. So now I have 1.88x equals 11. Well, I know how to get rid of a multiplication. What's the opposite of multiply? Divide. So take both sides and divide by 1.88. 1.88. Well, I win. 1.88 divided by 1.88 is 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. So I now have x equals 11 over 1.88. Grab our calculator. 11 divided by 1.88 equals 5.85. Okay? 5.85. 5.85. All right. Now, after you do a bunch of these, you don't actually have to do this step if you don't want. We could have actually had x times the tangent of 62 equals 11. This is just a number. Divide both sides by the tangent of 62. Divide both sides by the tangent of 62. Anything divided by itself is 1. I'll bet you if we type in 11 divided by the tangent of 62, we get the same answer. Isn't that cool? So, if that is confusing to you, tangent 62, because you're new at it, it's no problem. All that is a number. Okay? All right. Again, feel free to pause the video. We had the first video, which was 20 minutes. We got a video here, 7 minutes. Class might be over. We've had some class discussions. All right? So, if you're at that point, okay, and we're not ready for these, that's okay. Go have a great day, because when you come back on Wednesday, Thursday, we'll work on these, and we're going to head into a little discussion, okay, more practice, and then the we do, you do for the solo activity. So this week, no math yet. This week is all about, can I set up SOH CAH TOA, and can I solve for an angle measure? Can I solve for an angle? Can I solve for a side length? All right? So, have a great Monday, Tuesday, and we'll see you in class on Wednesday, Thursday. Bye, everybody.